I saw a lot of you making mistakes when it comes to this type of questions. These are very easy. But the common mistake that I saw in a lot of you guys is just you're going to take this negative and multiply it here and multiply it there. You forgot that here there is a square a row that is inside that kind of brackets, you know. So what you must do in this type of questions are very easy. You're just going to ignore this negative for a while and just expand this brackets that is here. So this is the same as 2x minus 5 and 2x minus 5, you know, perfect. So what you're going to do next is to also ignore this negative for a while. You open a bigger bracket, you know, and deal with this binomial. You know, by dealing with a binomial is very easy. This, it has to multiply this side. So 2 multiplied by this is going to give us, look what I'm doing right now, it's going to give us 4x squared, you know, and then also these 2 has to be multiplied with this negative 5 that is there. So 2 multiplied by negative 5x going to give us negative 10. Né? So this is going to give us negative 10x. You know, going to do the same thing also. This negative has to multiply here. This is also going to give us negative 10x. So and then negative 5 multiplied by negative 5 is going to give us plus 25. Started here, perfect. So what we're going to do next is to add the like terms. The like terms is negative 10 and negative 10. If you don't know how to add the like terms, guys, when you're adding like terms, which is negative 10x and negative 10x, what you're basically doing, you're taking this number and this number is going to say negative 10, negative 10. We put it in a calculator, you're going to get a negative 20, and then you just write this x here. This is how to add the like terms, actually. So I'm going to say 4x squared, and then this is going to be the same as negative 20x, and then this is going to be the same as plus 25. So now basically what you're going to do is just going to multiply everything that is here by this negative here. Remember guys, this negative is the same as when there was a negative 1 here. If you don't understand, this is the same as negative 1, but it's unnecessary for them to write it there, you know. So here there is an invisible 1, but it's unnecessary to write it. So I'm going to multiply this and multiply that one, and also multiply that one to find our final answer. So for this one, I'm going to get a negative 4x squared, and then plus 20x and negative 25. And we're done with that one for these 2 marks.